Hey friends, in this video, I'll show you how you can edit any mistakes in a mark sheet using Photoshop. Please make sure to use this only for fair and ethical purposes. In this example, we need to change the mother's name which has been typed incorrectly. First, select the text tool from the toolbar and type the correct name. Make sure you choose the same font. In this case, it's Arial. Type the name. Adjust the color so it matches perfectly with the existing text. Now, let's replace it with the original one. Select the background layer, then choose the lasso tool from the toolbar and make a selection around the name you want to change. Once done, right-click and choose Fill. With Content Aware selected, hit OK. Now, simply place the corrected text in that area. And that's how easily you can edit any text or a mark sheet in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.